We work with the rural communities in those places where they are experiencing and living already with the realities of the impacts of climate change.
The first thing we did within the communities, we did an assessment, went into communities and asked them to do like a body mapping. What do they have within their community? Social amenities, and who is the breadwinner, who makes decisions, their economic power and so forth. What is happening within their community, how many the youths as well as the children and so forth. So at the end of the day, we said, okay, you have all of these things happening within your community. And you say there are a lot of disasters happening within your community. What do you prefer as solutions? And what do you think this project can do for you?
Mr. Sadia, I big matame na gbe mahu. Wodi agama nisi yekwede mombekweva Mr. Sadia. Kai big ma tame de aba ayi am hunge amu. Nyagi ya de trainiva.
We find this project so helpful for us as farmers in this community. It has helping we in terms of basic farming information in the area of the climate change.
The Bible teaches us to care for creation. If you read Genesis, God gave us mandate to care for the creation that He brought to us. It's time now to come together as the globe who will act on climate issues so that we can alleviate the lives of people who are mostly affected.